Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Let's look into the normal value, and this is for the hemodynamic parameters. So first is the arterial BP. The arterial BP, it includes the systolic as well as the diastolic. The systolic is in the range of 90. So it is 90 to 140 is the systolic. Then diastolic, the arterial BP, it is about 60 to 90. The mean arterial pressure, this amounts to about 70 to 105. Then looking at the left ventricle, the systolic is less, that is 15 to 25, so averaging 20. Then the diastolic, it is 0 to 8, so it averages about 4. Then comes the pulmonary artery. So in case of the pulmonary artery, there is systolic and the diastolic. So systolic in the pulmonary artery, it is from 15 to 25. 15 to 25 means it is about 20. Then in case of diastolic, it is 8 to 15. Now looking at the mean here is nothing but 10 to 20, that is equal to 15. Next we move on to the pulmonary capillary wedge. The pulmonary capillary wedge pressure. The pulmonary capillary wedge pressure, it includes the mean. So what is the mean? The mean is about 6 to 12. So the same 6 to 12 is the mean for the left atrium. Then comes the right atrium. Right atrium is nothing but the central venous pressure. So right atrium is the central venous pressure. Here the mean is 2 to 6. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.